Hello my people, we are still on the election results updates. So these particular updates are coming from Lagos State. Even as we await for INEC to start releasing official results, the party agents are working together, bringing the results together, collating it and uploading on social media, on platforms. So for people to know what is happening, so that when INEC upload their own, it will be cross-checked to make sure there is no kind of manipulations of any kind. So these ones are from Lagos State. They have kind of collected a whole lot, but much more are still on the way. Just take your time, check these results and know what is happening. Know if you have seen your polling unit. If your polling unit is here, cross-check it with what you have there, what the results they called before you left the polling unit. If it's not the same, you comment. If it's the same, you take note of that while wait for more results to come. Thank you.